Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're going to explore an incredibly powerful concept that's transforming the way we use computers and store our data: cloud computing. You may have heard the term cloud computing thrown around a lot lately, but what exactly is it? Well, think of it as a virtual space where you can store and access your files, applications, and services over the internet, instead of relying solely on your local computer or devices. It's like having your own personal tech oasis up in the sky. So, why is cloud computing such a big deal? Let me tell you. One of the main advantages is its flexibility. With cloud computing, you can access your files and applications from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. No more worrying about carrying around external hard drives or USB sticks. Your data is always just a few clicks away. Now, let's dive into some real-world applications of cloud computing. The possibilities are truly endless. Firstly, cloud computing revolutionizes the world of software development. Developers can utilize cloud platforms to build, test, and deploy their applications more efficiently. Cloud services provide them with a flexible and scalable infrastructure, reducing the need for investing in expensive hardware and infrastructure. This allows developers to focus on what they do best, creating amazing software. Secondly, cloud computing is reshaping the field of data storage and backup. With cloud storage solutions, you can securely store and back up your valuable files, ensuring they are protected from hardware failures or accidental deletions. Cloud storage also offers the convenience of easily syncing your files across multiple devices, so you'll never be without your important documents or precious memories. And let's not forget about the entertainment industry. Cloud computing has given rise to music and video streaming services, such as Spotify and Netflix. These platforms utilize the power of the cloud to deliver seamless and uninterrupted streaming experiences to millions of users worldwide. So next time you're enjoying your favorite tunes or binge watching a new series, remember that it's all made possible by the cloud. Lastly, cloud computing has transformed the way businesses operate. Companies can leverage cloud-based solutions for their day-to-day operations, such as customer relationship management, CRM, human resources, and project management. The cloud enables them to streamline their processes, improve collaboration among teams, and reduce the need for costly on-premises infrastructure. It allows businesses to focus on their core competencies while leaving the technical aspects to cloud service providers. So, there you have it, folks. Cloud computing is revolutionizing various aspects of our lives, from personal file storage to software development and business operations. Its flexibility, scalability, and collaborative capabilities make it a game changer in the world of technology. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the applications of cloud computing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future tech-focused content. Plus, it helps support our channel and keeps us motivated to bring you more exciting videos. Also, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you used cloud computing in any of these ways? Or maybe you have some questions or suggestions for future video topics. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so let's keep the conversation going. Thank you so much for joining me today on this cloud computing journey. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to the possibilities of cloud technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech. Good luck.